Haven't uploaded a video in a while, and people say that they really like the song, so I figured I would play it. This is Little Bird. You stand tall and strong, shelter me from the snow and the rain. In your boughs is where I know I belong. Though you ignore me, my heart is filled with pain. I'm just a little bird, but I have found my dream. I don't need anybody else as long as you are here with me. But you don't feel the same, you stand there stoically, so I'll just wait for you until you finally see that you're my tree. All those other trees don't mean a thing to me. Right here in your branches is where I wanna be. And I know that you don't notice, but I hope one day you do. And you'll realize how much you need me too. I chirp and tweet and sing my song. Will that get you to fall in love with me? I think I feel you swaying along. Turns out you're only moving with the breeze. See, I've been through the woods and I have looked around, but none of them compare. You're the best to be found. You're the only one and I feel stuck, just like glue. Maybe one day you'll come around. Till then I will wait. I'll wait for you. All those other trees don't mean a thing to me. Right here in your branches is where I wanna be. And I know that you don't notice, but I hope one day you do. And you'll realize how much you need me too. All the other birds can fly through the sky, but I can't seem to spread my little wings. I can't move from you though I try and try, 'cause I know that you're the only one for me. All the other trees don't mean a thing to me. Right here in your branches is where I'm meant to be. And I know that you don't notice, but I hope one day you do. And you'll realize how much you need me too. Yes, you'll realize how much you need me too. Anyway, that's Little Bird. Hope you like it. Yeah. Have a good day.